This is called Heavy Breathing Amongst Sullen Stone. It's our first time. I clean myself out. It feels invasive, but I do it for him. I'm nervous. I ask him to be slow and gentle for me. I enjoy his length, his girth, though perhaps it's too much for my mostly virgin birth. He mounts me from behind, crushing me with all his weight, pinning me down, penetration ensues. Not enough lube. I pant and I moan, some pleasure, some alms. He breathes heavy and loud into my ears. He thrusts forcefully with the lust of an 80-year-old who hasn't had his dick wet for at least 2 years. I know that was oddly specific. I try to communicate, but he doesn't hear. For several uncertain seconds, I pretend I'm not there. Part of me wants to stop, but I would never dare. Why didn't he listen? I thought that he cared. Claws begin, digging in, beard scratching, scraping, leaving my bare skin rare. Worst part is, he didn't even finish. And now this cum slut is left high and dry, feeling failed. Thank you. Heavy Breathing Amongst Sullen Stone. Shout out to Eli Waltz, you know who you are. That's a reference to the title. He has a song that I love that uses that lyric in his song. What is that song called? Tibetan Bones, Eli Waltz. Check it out. Okay, I got one more for you.